Starting around 17 walk 2024, Jasmy coin basically is exchanging at $1.87 in term of its est rate, with the value change of 216% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, or so they generally thought. Jasmy explicitly has an in every practical sense complete market cap of $9.23,722,484 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $139,785,181, which basically is genuinely huge. This basically makes Jasmy coin Jasmy genuinely positioning at 107 in the digital currency market. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what most certainly is the Jasmy coin cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Jasmy coin by and large be for the most part worth in 2024, which certainly is very critical. Is Jasmy coin a kind of wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2024, which really is very critical? Will Jasmy cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking high, which generally is very huge? These most certainly are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation 2024 as per the Jasmy coin conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Jasmy cost in every practical sense is supposed to especially cross a fundamentally normal value level of $269, the normal kind of least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year ought to especially be $261. Besides, Jasmy can for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $297, or so they really thought. Jasmy coin value figure walk 2024, the by and large normal cost of Jasmy coin Jasmy could explicitly go to $196 toward the finish of walk 2024, which especially is genuinely critical. Jasmy could be exchanging around an extremely greatest worth of $202 with the exceptionally least expected cost of $177 in a kind of significant manner. Jasmy coin Jasmy value estimate April 2024. For April 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin fundamentally is basically anticipated to, in every practical sense, arrive at a very normal cost of $204, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $212 and a very least of $197, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation May 2024. The cost for Jasmy coin in May 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $205 and $222 in an unpretentious manner, while the typical exchanging cost ought to really be around $212 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy value gauge June 2024. The Jasmy coin conjecture for June 2024 expects that the Jasmy may for the most part arrive at a truly greatest worth of $232 with a very least cost of around $11. So Jasmy coin Jasmy value estimate April 2024. For April 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin certainly is truly anticipated to arrive at an especially normal cost of $204, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $212 and a genuinely least of $197, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Discussing the truly normal value Jasmy can for the most part stretch around $221 for June, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin Jasmy value conjecture July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin in every practical sense is generally anticipated to basically arrive at a sort of typical cost of $227, while the coin could exchange between an all things considered limit of $241 and a sort of least of $0, or so they all things considered thought. Jasmy value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin for the most part is determined to for the most part be at around a sort of least worth of $227, which certainly is genuinely critical. The Jasmy coin value worth can fundamentally arrive at a really limit of $0253 with a typical exchanging worth of $234 in ESD, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Jasmy value estimate September 2024. The Jasmy coin figure for September 2024 expects that the Jasmy may explicitly arrive at a fundamentally most extreme worth of $264 with an essentially least cost of around $234 in a truly significant manner. Discussing the exceptionally normal value Jasmy can for the most part stretch around $243 for September, so this in every practical sense makes Jasmy coin Jasmy extremely positioning at 107 in the cryptographic money market, or so they essentially thought. Jasmy coin Jasmy value figure October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin explicitly is anticipated to generally arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.0251, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $0.0274 and a truly least of $0.0243 in a truly significant manner. Jasmy Value Gauge November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin generally is estimated to, in a real sense, be at around a genuinely least worth of $2.49, which for the most part is very critical. The Jasmy coin value worth can generally arrive at a fundamentally limit of $2.84 with the, in every practical sense, normal exchanging worth of $0.0258 in USD. Further appearance how. Jasmy Value Gauge September 2024. The Jasmy coin conjecture for September 2024 expects that the Jasmy may arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.0264 with a kind of least cost of around $2.34, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation December 2024. With respect to December 2024, Jasmy coin cost in every practical sense is figured to arrive at an actually the least cost of $2.61 in an unpretentious manner. The Jasmy cost could in a real sense arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.97 with a truly normal expected cost around $0.69, exhibiting how Jasmy value figure August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin sort of is gauged to in every practical sense, be at around a fundamentally least worth of $2.27 in an in every practical sense significant way. Jasmy coin genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Jasmy coin's cost in every practical sense has shown a genuinely decent increment of 65% in the very most recent 24 hours, which fundamentally is very huge. Jasmy coin especially is confronting an especially tough time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins in a sort of large manner. The Jasmy essentially is down to nearly 17.2% in the sort of most recent 7 days in a kind of enormous manner. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for commonly past not many days. The coin could explicitly have areas of strength for pretty at the same time. We don't in every practical sense imagine that it would a beneficial resource in certainly present moment, which certainly shows that Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation December 2024. Concerning December 2024, Jasmy coin cost generally is estimate to in a real sense arrive at a most minimal cost of $0.61 in an especially significant manner. Jasmy coin value figure 2024 facts. What will be Jasmy coin truly worth in 2024, which explicitly is very critical. The Jasmy cost in a real sense is determined to especially arrive at an in every practical sense greatest degree of $2.97 with extremely least cost of $2.61 toward the finish of 2024, showing that this truly makes Jasmy coin Jasmy genuinely positioning at 107 in the cryptographic money market. Does Jasmy coin basically have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as value, Jasmy coin sort of has a remarkable by and large potential to generally arrive at new levels, which basically demonstrates the way that Jasmy could especially be exchanging around an especially most extreme worth of $2 with the by and large least expected cost of